Hello, this is Ipshita K. Das from Standard 10 studying in Navodaya English High School and Junior College. Education is a commitment to excellence in teaching and learning. Education is the movement from darkness to light. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I am here to deliver a speech about education. It is usually a belief that education is the foundation for all round development. Life is based on development, and that developing and growing is life. If we describe this view into the perspective of education, we can sum up that education is the all round development of the individual's personality. Thus, education is nothing but all-round development of the individual's personality. Education is a process of man-making, hence education is necessary for all. Education is very necessary for every child, whether a boy or a girl. It helps a person study new things with skill and learn about the facts of the world. Education plays an important role in the protection of the woman's right. It also helps to prevent discrimination based on gender. Education increases productivity in their work. An educated woman has skills, information, talent, and self confidence that make her a better mother, employee, and resident for the country. Women constitute almost half of our population. Men and women are like two aspects of a coin. Thus, they need equal opportunities to contribute to the development of the country. Both cannot survive without each other. It is depressing that some communities will still differentiate against the education of the girl child. Education is the key factor for girls' empowerment, prosperity, development, and welfare. There are continuous inequality and liability of girls in all sectors: economic, education, social, political, healthcare, nutrition, right and legal, etc. The rise of girls' education was mainly done by King Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar during British rule in India. He paid attention to the education of women. Some leaders of the scheduled caste community like Jyotiba Phule and Babasaheb Ambedkar had initiated many initiatives to provide education to women of the India. At the same time, as a result, the female literacy rate has increased since 1947. Many factors are responsible for the less education of women in the society, like poverty, distance, insecurity, negative behaviors, child marriage, child labor, religious factors, etc. Poverty. In the developing countries, poverty is one of the major problems. Though education is free, the cost of sending children to school is very high. It includes school uniforms, books, etc., which is very high for families living below the poverty line. Even if they cannot afford a daily meal, educational expenditure is very distant. This is the reason parents like to keep their daughters at home. Child marriage. In Indian society, cases of child marriage are still present. A girl is forced to marry early and it is often taken out of the school at very young age. People generally think that girls learn only domestic works and tasks. This contribution to household chores is more valuable than his education. In this way, they give all the time to the family and no time to the educate themselves. But the educated wife will reduce the burden of her husband by sharing a job. The educated wife will educate her children about their rights and moral values. I would like to conclude by saying that parents need to educate their girls about the qualities and benefits of the education. Girls' education is essential for the future and the country because women are the first teachers of their children. Uneducated women cannot contribute to family management and fail to take care of their children. This is not only the responsibility of the government but also the responsibility of the people around us. The best part is that our Prime Minister has made a very good initiative for the education of girls through the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan campaign in the villages. For the development of our country, we need to educate all the girls because it is the fact that girls have achieved more success than boys in less time.